Hello, welcome to a new video on Baitnor channel. Today we will talk about cocktail or curlew. It is considered one of the most common medium-sized birds. It is a parrot's family and its main habitat is Australia and has a high intelligence rate that makes it a good rank among the trainable birds. It is distinguished by the beauty of its colors and its unique sound. Cocktail birds reach sexual maturity at the age of 10 months and mostly peaks at the age of 1. The female lays an average of 4 to 8 eggs and sleeps on them with the male for 21 days. Parents feed the spurs to weaning at the age of 35 days, age between 15 and 20 years, and may increase in the wild grain as the staple foods such as the flares, the bank, and the sunflower pulp, along with fruits and vegetables that contain important nutrients. This is a brief introduction to the cocktail bird. We recommend that you own it. So we got to the end of our episode. Don't forget to like, share, point and subscribe to the channel and do the bell, and I have your opinions in the comments. Thank